Yo, what's going on everyone? Welcome back. I just wanted to do a quick video today on making your own two-toned coloured acrylic. So I don't know if any of you have seen, I put this on Facebook. I created this, it's like a Ouija board planchet type thing. So what I did, I cut the shape out and then I used some masking tape, masked it off and then engraved it. So because the masking tape is so thin with a low power engraving, it just removes all of the actual pattern on there. And then what I did, I just used my air gun to spray gold paint on it. Now it looks good, I am happy with it, but I thought I could do better, and I made this. Now this is not perfect, this was just my first attempt. So what I've done here is I've put some window tint film on the back, which is gold. I'll put a link in the corner there because I did upload a video of how to make your own mirrored acrylic using window tint. But then what I did, because if you've seen some of my previous videos, I've got this new
vinyl cutter.
I basically used some matte black vinyl and I just vinyl cut that out and then stuck that over the top. It says not perfect. You can see like some of the letters with the like the rings in it, like the O's and A's and things like that. Weeding them out was a bit of a pain. So I'm going to revisit that. But yeah, I thought this turned out absolutely amazing. Obviously, you can do this with all different designs, things like that, colours, the lot. So I'm going to do a quick video today on how I done it, and using vinyl, and I'll do it with the window tint as well. But obviously, you can just do it with window tint. Vinyl's not safe to laser cut. But obviously window tint is PET, I believe. Yeah, PET, so it is safe to laser. So you could put window tint on the front and a different coloured window tint on the back. And then you could just engrave the window tint away, and that'll give the exact same effect. But I thought I'd do it with the vinyl and the window tint today. Okay, right, so let's get on with it. I'm not sure what shape. I'm not going to do this one exactly because you can see that there. I'm going to do something just to showcase it a little bit more and what else you can do. So yeah, let's do another design and get on with it. Right then guys, for this design I'm going to be using some pearlescent window tint. So I'm just going to cut out a quick shape, just a square. Doesn't need to be perfect. Just needs to be big enough to fit on the acrylic. All I'm using is this little sheet here. This is the one I did the planchet on. Planchet. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I probably pronounced it completely wrong. Right, so to apply window film to acrylics, the same as you applying it to windows, you just got to get the area nice and wet. So what I use is just plain water with a couple of drops of dish soap in there. So that's the backing, and then the other side's obviously sticky. So I'm just going to pop him in place there. Doesn't have to be exact at the moment because it's going to move. I'm just going to get something to squeegee all the water out. Okay guys, there we go. So we've cut the piece out. So the window tint is on that side. But it looks like it's on both sides. That's how good window tint works really with when putting it on acrylic pieces. It just makes it look like it was the original colour of the piece. That's why I just love making stuff with it. It looks great. So I don't know if you can tell what I'll be making yet with that shape. But I'm just going to run the vinyl cutter now. So I've got the vinyl set up ready to go. I'm going to quickly cut the shape out and we'll come back and we'll stick it on top. So let's get it done. Right, we've got it. We've got the design cut out now. Not sure if you can see what that is yet. So all we need to do is just weed this little bit out. Here we go. Took a couple of seconds. And we'll just remove the outer bit as well, because we're not going to need that. And I'll get rid of that bit as well around the end. So yeah, if you still haven't guessed yet, it is a YouTube play button. Right, so to put that directly on there straight away is going to be a bit of a faff. If you peel that off, it'll curl up on itself. So you've got this stuff, it's like sticky, transparent paper. And what we're going to try and do is just get that on there. Not too bothered how neat this goes because I'm taking it straight back off. But you just want that to adhere to the actual vinyl so it comes off the other side. There you go, just like that. So the backing should come off nicely. Alright, so what we're going to do now we've got the vinyl on the transfer sheet. I could just put it straight on there, but there's a trick to doing like multi-layer colour stuff where you can just get something, say I've got like an acetate see-through sheet, I can just stick half of it on there and I can line it up, and then I know it is on top, and I can just remove the acetate sheet then from the bottom. And I can push the rest down. And then I should be able to remove the transfer paper. And there we go. So it's actually, it looks better that side, doesn't it? That's pretty good, that side. So yeah, it's a two-tone acrylic. So I've got red on the top, and I've got the pearlescent film on the bottom. Like I said, you can do it with literally any two colours you like, and it just looks amazing. And if you're really creative, obviously you can do different colours. So say, for example, if you did like a window, you can put different colour films on the back, and you can have, you know, 4 or 5 different colours. There we go, guys. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you're new here and you're not subscribed already, definitely subscribe, because I'll be making some more great content like this as well. Alright, guys. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. All have a good one. We'll see you in the next one.